Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm playing a cool song here from Dove Cameron. Do I Wanna Know? Sometimes you don't. By the way, maybe you want to know what I'm playing on here. This is a guitar from Acoustic Guitars. Great, good looking guitar. Can't you see? Yes, of course. It's popping, and I love this shape of it. I love how it plays and sounds, and actually you can get one of these. You can use my coupon code. It's Gordon Guitar 10. And you can go and check out the Anchor guitars, get this one, many other shapes, and yeah, a great deal right there. So take the opportunity. Now let's go back into this one from Dove, and we're gonna play a capo on 3rd fret. That is the best setup for us. And with that, we have 5 chords. So let's go through the chords. Let's start with E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's E minor. Next is C. 3rd A, second D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next. That will be open A, second D, second G, 1st B, and open E. D. Open D, second G, 3rd B, second E, and finally we have the B. What I do here for this specific song, I play 2 bars. You have to play at least one, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret, and you push down 5 strings there. If you count from bottom up, you don't need that last E string in the bass. And then the chord looks like 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B added, okay? But I'm a little bit lazy, and for this specific song, it actually works well to just place a 2nd bar in front of it. So on the 4th fret, you place this 2nd bar, and you push down, make sure you push down the D, the G, and B string. If you go all the way down, then stay away from the last E string when it comes to the strumming hand, okay? So play in the middle here. So that's what I'm gonna do for this. It's up to you if you wanna push in all your fingers in this way. It's up to you. At least I'm a little bit lazy, so yeah, that's my way of playing it. Now let's go into the strumming here. If you grab the 1st chord, E minor, 1 round goes like this. Okay, it's about 4 downs. I tried to highlight the 3rd down in the way that I'm playing on the higher strings down here. Okay, all that are downs I play in the bass mid area. So you could go with a clap there instead of the 3rd down, but I don't think this song has this dominant beat to it, so I think it feels better and sounds better to just go with 4 downs and highlight that 3rd down. So 1 string around goes like that, okay? Now let's go into the song, and the 1st verse goes E minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2, A minor 2, and back to E minor 2. So both starts and ends on the E minor. Let's do that together. E minor, C, C, A minor, and E minor. Again. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. Then we reach the pre-chorus at 48 seconds in. You're gonna play the first half C2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and D2. The second half goes C2, A minor 2, and B4. Like this. C, A minor, E minor, D, C, minor, and B. Alright, for only this 1 round, and we reach now the chorus afterwards, and guess what? That is played exactly in the same way as the verse play for 2 rounds. E minor 2, C2, A minor 2, E minor 2. 2 rounds of that, and after that comes the instrumental part, which is another round of that chorus play. So you can say in total 3 rounds of E minor, C, A minor, and E minor. That is the first round, and now into the second round, and that is exactly repetition, guys. So no changes at all, both when it comes to verse play, pre-chorus, and chorus. Okay, and after that comes the outro, and what you're gonna play there for the outro part is to play the pre-chorus chords. Okay, it starts with C, and then A minor, E minor, D, C, A minor, and B. You're gonna play one down per chord only, okay? So have pauses in between, one down per chord only, and that is how this song from Dove ends. Do I wanna know? Not always. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and until next time, play tuned.